That is a CQP. I'm pretty sure that's what it means. You can do this, or you can do CBR. I use CQP, which is essentially, it keeps a constant quality by changing the bitrate as you record. So I set this to 18. If this is too powerful for you, you can reduce. So just set each of these to 1 track and close that, and that should be done. You can add filters and stuff to your audio if there are things going wrong, but I just leave all this. And the last thing to do is something which I didn't explain too much in the last episode, is actually how to start recording, which is kind of important. So on the side here we have scenes, and then we have sources. So each scene has a set of sources. So what we'll do is we'll create a new scene here. So we'll go right click and we'll click add, or you can just click the add button down here. And we're going to name this, I don't really name them because I usually know what they are, I don't really need to name them, but we're going to name this game. Pretty standard, or game rec, game recording. Okay? Then in sources, what we're going to do is we're going to click add, and we're going to go to game capture. Click OK. When this opens up, you want to click here where it says capture any full screen applications and change that to capture specific window. And then in window, you're going to select basically whatever the hell you want to record. So I've got Binding of Isaac open at the moment. So if I click this, and I click OK, you can see there, it's now there, and I've actually got this game open here with the audio. Okay. Then in sources, what we're going to do is we're going to click add, and we're going to go to game capture. Click OK. When this opens up, you want to click here where it says capture any full screen applications and change that to capture specific window. And then in window, you're going to select basically whatever the hell you want to record. So I've got Binding of Isaac open at the moment. So if I click this, and I click OK, you can see there, it's now there, and I've actually got this game open here with the audio turned off. But what you want to do is you want to click it in the preview window, and then you can either scale it like this, or you can right click. You can go to scale not scale filtering, transform, and you can say fit to screen. And there we go. You've now got it there. You can click start recording, and you can start just playing the game. You know, you could like press start, you could go in, you could start playing. Really awesome, and then it's recording. What about if you're playing a game which some games this won't hook onto? It won't. It will stay as a black screen. It can be really annoying. What you can do then is you can make a new scene and call this desktop recording. Now this might look a bit funky when I do this. I've already also spelled that wrong, but ignore it. I'm going to have to change that because I'm kind of OCD. about that. Recording. There